Hello! Today I will show you how to download this cheat absolutely free. To get started, go to the website at the link in the description and download the software. After unpacking, open the cheat itself and enjoy the game.
This is pretty much all up to you guys. If you want, you can edit your money. As you see over here, I have 240 million. Let's say I want 999 million. And now you want to spend a bit of your money, so I'm gonna go into upgrades and tuning and find any tuning. Just you need to spend some money. Alright, so let's go ahead and use this weird Chinese one. Doesn't matter, like I said again, it's just part of the process. You need to spend some money for the money to appear into your account. And there we go. As you see, I have 999 million. If you want wheel spins, you can also add wheel spins. Let's do maximum. Alright, now we're gonna go to my horizon, super wheel spins. And there we go. We have unlimited wheel spins. So yeah, that's pretty much it with the video, guys. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.